Are you aiming for a perfect credit score without spending a penny? Wondering if it's even possible? Well, buckle up, because today I'm going to unveil the secrets to boosting your credit score to stellar heights for absolutely free. Let's dive into the world of smart credit management and transform your financial future. Point 1. Know your credit score range. Let's start with the basics, identifying your current credit score. Credit scores range from 300 to 850, and where you fall on this scale determines a lot about your financial health. If your score is below 580, it falls into the poor category. Don't be discouraged, there's plenty of room for improvement, and that's exactly what we're here for. Scores between 580 and 669 are considered fair, and while you're on the right track, there's still work to be done to elevate your score. If you find yourself within the 670 to 799 range, you're classified as good. Typically, you'll enjoy many of the same benefits as those with perfect scores, such as favorable loan terms and lower interest rates. For those who have achieved a score between 800 and 850, congratulations. You're in the excellent range. Maintaining this level shows potential lenders that you're at the top of your game. Stick around to learn key strategies to maintain or even improve your excellent score further. Point 2. Understand credit categories. Understanding credit categories is crucial in navigating the credit landscape. Credit scores are broadly categorized into 3 groups: subprime, prime, and superprime. Each category represents a different risk level to lenders and consequently affects the kind of financial deals you can access. If you're in the subprime category, typically below a 670 score, you're often viewed as a higher risk, which can lead to higher interest rates and tougher lending conditions. It's a challenging position, but one that can definitely be improved with the right financial habits. Moving up, the prime category, which includes scores from 670 to 739, offers more stability. You're likely to receive competitive lending rates and a moderate approval rate for loans and credit cards. The pinnacle is the super prime category, where scores range from 740 and above. Being super prime means you get the best offers and lowest interest rates. You face fewer rejections on credit applications, and financial institutions view you as a low-risk borrower. Whether you're starting as subprime or aiming to maintain your super prime status, understanding these categories helps tailor your approach to credit building. Point 3. Boost your credit by making timely payments. Ensuring timely payments on all your financial obligations is crucial for building and maintaining a high credit score, as this factor alone influences 35% of its calculation. Regular, on-time payments are viewed positively by lenders and credit agencies, reinforcing your credibility and reliability as a borrower. To streamline this process and minimize the risk of missed payments, set up automated transactions for recurring bills such as mortgages, car loans, credit cards, and utility bills. This automation ensures that payments are made promptly each month without any manual intervention. Additionally, it's wise to regularly monitor your bank statements and budget to manage your finances effectively and avoid overspending. Keeping a close eye on your financial commitments helps you stay organized and prevents late payments, which can significantly damage your credit score. By adopting these disciplined financial habits, you not only safeguard your credit score, but also demonstrate to potential lenders that you are a responsible and trustworthy individual, capable of managing various forms of credit efficiently. As you continue to make timely payments, you'll likely notice a steady improvement in your credit score, opening up opportunities for more favorable borrowing terms in the future. Point 4. Manage your credit utilization. Credit utilization plays a vital role in the composition of your credit score, accounting for 30%. This metric measures how much of your available credit you're using at any given time. Financial experts recommend keeping your utilization below 30% to positively influence your score. A lower utilization rate is perceived positively by lenders as it suggests you're managing your credit well and not overly dependent on it. To improve your utilization ratio, start by paying down existing balances and consider requesting a credit limit increase on your current accounts, only if you're confident it won't lead to increased spending. Additionally, spreading your charges across multiple cards can help manage your utilization rate effectively. Another strategy is to make payments more than once a month to keep balances low throughout the billing cycle. This proactive management of your credit will not only help elevate your credit score, but also position you more favorably for future credit applications, as lenders prefer customers who exhibit control over their financial obligations. Point 5. Lengthen your credit history. The length of your credit history contributes approximately 15% to your overall credit score. A long credit history can be beneficial as it provides lenders with a more extended period to observe how you manage credit. For those just beginning their credit journey, patience is key, as building a lengthy credit history takes time. To start, you could consider becoming an authorized user on a family member's long-standing account, which can help you piggyback off their credit history. Make sure that the primary account holder has a strong record of timely payments and responsible credit use. Keep your oldest accounts open and active, since the age of your oldest account and the average age of all your accounts can significantly impact your score. Regular use of older credit accounts can positively influence your credit score, showing potential lenders that you have sustained experience in managing credit responsibly over a long period. Point 6. Diversify your credit types. Diversifying your credit types plays a pivotal role in enhancing your credit score, contributing about 10% to its overall calculation. By managing a variety of credit lines such as credit cards, personal loans, auto loans, and mortgages, you demonstrate to lenders your ability to handle multiple forms of debt responsibly. This diversity in your credit portfolio shows that you have experience across a broad spectrum of financial obligations, which can increase your attractiveness to potential lenders. It's important, however, to approach this strategy wisely. Only take on new credit if it aligns with your financial goals, and you can manage it without jeopardizing your financial health. Each new account should be a strategic decision, not just a means to improve your credit mix. Successfully managing a mix of credit types proves to lenders that you are a low-risk borrower, capable of maintaining good financial health across different types of lending environments. Remember, the key isn't just to have a variety of credit, but to manage them effectively to maintain a healthy credit score and financial standing. Point 7. Limit new credit inquiries. Applying for new credit is a necessary part of financial growth, but be aware that each application could slightly lower your credit score temporarily due to hard inquiries from lenders. These inquiries reflect on your credit report and can give potential creditors the impression that you may be taking on too much debt, especially if there are many in a short period. To mitigate the impact, it's crucial to strategize your credit applications. For instance, if you're in the market for a car loan or a mortgage, aim to consolidate your credit inquiries within a 2-week period to benefit from the rate shopping window, where multiple inquiries for the same type of loan are treated as a single one for scoring purposes. Also, consider only applying for credit when absolutely necessary and when you are reasonably confident of approval to minimize unnecessary inquiries and preserve your score. Point 8. Monitor your credit regularly. Regular monitoring of your credit report is essential for maintaining a healthy credit score. Reviewing your credit report doesn't impact your score, and it allows you to check for any inaccuracies or signs of fraud, which can be crucial for correcting before they cause long-term damage. Many credit card issuers and financial institutions offer free credit monitoring services that alert you to changes in your credit report, such as new accounts opened in your name or significant balance changes. Make it a habit to check your credit score and report at least quarterly. Taking advantage of these services can help you react quickly to any unauthorized activity and manage your credit more proactively. Regular oversight ensures you remain informed about your financial status and can help you make better informed decisions about your financial health. Point 9. Take advantage of score-boosting programs. Leveraging score-boosting programs such as Experian Boost can be a game-changer for enhancing your credit score. These programs allow you to add non-traditional payments like your utility and telecom bills to your credit history. This feature is especially valuable for those with shorter credit histories or who consistently manage monthly bills without credit. By enrolling in these services, you provide a fuller picture of your financial behavior, incorporating regular, timely payments that otherwise go unreported. This broader visibility can lead to significant improvements in your credit score as it begins to reflect a more comprehensive history of your financial reliability. To start, simply register with a participating credit bureau, connect your bank account to verify your payment history, and select which recurring payments you would like to include in your credit file. These added elements of your financial life can start to positively impact your credit score quite swiftly. As a result, you can achieve a higher credit score, which opens the door to improved loan conditions, better interest rates, and more favorable financial opportunities. Engaging with these tools can set you on a faster track to achieving financial stability and credibility. Point 10. Educate yourself on credit. Gaining a deep understanding of how credit works and the factors that affect your credit score is crucial for financial empowerment. Knowing the intricacies of credit reporting, scoring models, and lender considerations can help you make smarter financial decisions and potentially save you from costly mistakes. Start by familiarizing yourself with the 5 major components that influence your credit score. Payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, new credit, and credit mix. Use resources provided by financial literacy sites, free online courses, and financial advisors to build your knowledge. Keeping up to date with changes in credit laws and practices can also protect you against unfair practices and errors in your credit report. Remember, continuous learning and staying informed plays a significant role in maintaining a strong credit score and building a healthy financial future. Thanks for joining me today. If you found these tips helpful, hit that subscribe button for more ways to boost your financial health, and don't forget to like and share this video to help others on their credit journey too. Make smart money.